This is CMF Phone 1, and today I'll show how you can fix the incoming phone call receptivity issues on this device. So at the start, check if your system is in the Do Not Disturb or Airplane modes, and if it is the case, switch either or both of them off. So the quickest way to do that is to open the control panel and find the Airplane mode shortcut, deactivate it, and do the same for the Do Not Disturb mode. Then what you might also want to try is to deactivate VoLTE and Wi-Fi calling features, and the way to do that is to launch your system settings, then enter the network and internet category. Here go for the SIMs, and turn off VoLTE and Wi-Fi calling options. And if that didn't help either, I recommend that you directly contact your carrier or mobile operator to check or to make sure that the issue do or do not lay on their end, since sometimes it does. And as far as this video goes, that'll be it. If you have any other questions, leave them in the comments below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.